I like this one. This is exactly the time of the year when we all plan a future, next year plans. Ever tried to find a perfect planner for yourself that works just for you? I tried so many times I give up. And then I decided why not to make a custom planner for my life that will fit my schedule, my timing. So if you can relate to this situation, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly the steps how to make your perfect custom planner. And here is an example of one of the planners that I've made. This is not a planner, but it's a diary. And just to mention, don't get scared if you see too many tools and equipment that I use. Not only planners, but also the tools can be customized. And I'll show you how. Well, let's get started. So all of this started when I found this beautiful planner in discounted store. This is one of the Happy planners, and it's a brand Happy planner. I use this planner for some quick notes, something not to forget, or appointments, or some plans for the month. So this yearly planner divided by months, but you can do whatever you want. This planner has pages as months at a glance, and then every single day planner. And this is my December quick notes and plans. Here we go. So after this planner, I got an idea. Can I get a planner like that, but way affordable and with the customized pages? After some research been done, I discovered that this was absolutely possible. And I'm so happy because this way I can not only save money, but also fit this planner to my life. Now let me talk about what tools would you need to make this exact planner. You will have to purchase the Happy Planner Punch. These punches are not exactly cheap. But if you are going to make a planner like this every year, I think it's a great investment. Also, these rings are not very expensive at all, and if you use coupon at Michael's, it's pretty affordable. So these are the rings that you will use to bind your planner. I highly recommend to buy metal rings. This is what happened to the plastic rings, especially if your planner very thick. See, they start cracking, and this one is completely broke, so I removed it. So after that, I learned that you have to use metal ones. I really suggest to purchase paper not less than 28 pounds. This is the thickness of the paper. For my planners, I want to use even higher numbers. For example, 32 pounds or higher, as long as your printer can deal with it. 28 is a pretty good paper. And I really like Hammermill paper. Next step is to make your covers. Like for example, this cover that I bought, it's a very solid cover and it's laminated. And it's very nice to have because then your book will be protected from bending and from other messes. Now for laminating, I'm using this very affordable Scotch laminator. It works perfectly and it's not very expensive. Now for thermal laminated pouches, I highly recommend not to use anything less than 5 mil. 5 milliliter thickness. This one has 50 pouches and it works pretty good. As you can see, this laminator only uses 3 mil and 5 mil. Anyway, if you are homeschooling, you know that laminator is a must-have anyway. And now, very important part. If you like embellishments and decorations and useful stuff for your planners, I found this beautiful pen holder, which you can put on your planner, and you can easily use your planner in the car or anywhere you go. I thought I'd just mention it because there is so many options to make your life easy. Now this diary I made with the same principle that I just explained to you, using the Happy Planner Puncher and discs. I laminated these pages, and you can do it for every month. I use printable from Etsy. I'll show you later how I find them. And then I will have to show you how I cut them because they are not coming in this format. Now this is a printable that you receive. It comes in PDF files, and this one already has marks. So what I use is a paper cutter. I like this one. This is a Fast Course from Amazon. And also note that when you print it, you have to print on both sides. Now you just use your Happy Planner punch, and your page is ready for your journal. And then just easily you can add, remove pages, replace pages. Very customizable and quite strong. Now I promised to show you other options, and so this would be the other one. This is my ultimate plan. I purchased this leather cover on Etsy also. It's very neat and stylish. Now these booklets I found in Winners, but again, you can purchase them on Amazon. These ones are dotted booklets that I prefer. This is my time management plan, my meal plan. Each booklet dedicated to different sphere of my life. For example, this is my homeschool planner. This is life and home. This one I continue since 19 if you can see. This is my plans for life, what I want to accomplish, what I want to do. And this one is my business planner. Instagram, how to grow, whatever I learned, I wrote down here. How it holds is there is a elastic in here. You can insert up to 4 booklets. This is the option for very customizable planner because you can do anything you want just with your pen. Here's another 2 options. One is very budget friendly. Another one is an investment, but it's worth it. So if you are really tight on a budget, regular basic 3-hole sponge would work for you. Then you don't even have to cut anything. You can buy already PDF in A4 size and format. Then you can just punch the holes with a regular puncher where you can find in Value Village, Goodwill, or a thrift store. And this one would be the most affordable option for you. Another binding system that I really like is a ProClick. So this system requires purchase of this puncher. Let me show you how it works. It just makes round holes. After that, you need to buy this pack of spiral binders, which are not that expensive. And the best part about this binder that it is reusable. You can click it. When you're done with your files, you can throw them away and start over. So how do you use it is like this. For example, of course, you just do this and click all your pages together. So you've got an idea. By the way, all these products I will link for you in the description below. So yes, this is 3 options to bind your planners. Let me know in a comment which one you like the best. Thank you so much for watching and let me know if it was useful for you or you have any other questions. I'll still show you in the end of this video on how I pick in the files from Etsy, and I also show you how I laminate it.